All right, so here we are, Friday, September 20th, 2024, and this is the official unboxing video of the iPhone 16 Pro. So let's get started and see if we can get this box open. Kind of opened weird. Let's get a look in there. There's the iPhone. All right. Okay. So, as you can see, this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max in Desert Titanium, the 1 terabyte model. Okay, and we're going to hit the opens. Apple's relatively new way of opening packages. All right. Ta-da! All right, as you can see, the titanium, Desert Titanium, almost looks gold. It's got a very pearlescent shade, and I don't know if you can see it, but the Apple has become pretty well hidden on the later phone models. You can see the titanium, almost gold color here, okay? Your 3 cameras. Let's see the actual phone itself, looking good. Okay. On the left side of the phone, we have our action button and our volume rockers up and down. On the right side, we have our power button, which I don't think is a power button anymore. It's a reset button. And this is the new camera button. It's not, according to Apple, a button, but it is, for lack of a better word, a button. It's camera control. How about that? And then at the bottom, we have our USB-C port, and our speakers and a microphone, another microphone up top, another microphone back here, and then there's a 4th one in the middle. All right, so let's power this puppy on. Okay. Meantime, in the box, we have a braided USB cable and a pack of instructions. Gone are the days when you got headphones and things like that. We don't even get Apple stickers anymore. Okay. There's the box. Okay. It's looking like, there it is. Multiple languages popping up here. We have noticeably smaller bezels, and it actually looks like the dynamic island is smaller as well. Okay. Choose our English, United States. Okay, and then we're going to cut it right there. And again, this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max Desert Titanium. Beautiful looking phone.